Congratulations po dito kay Oscar Collazo after defeating ito pong ating pambato na si Garen Diagan at the end of the 6 rounds. Ako po si Pau Salud ng Pauka Sports. Bigyan ko po kayo ng reaction kung ano pong nangyari dito sa laban na to kasi may mga nagtatanong sa akin at may mga nagtataka, Sir, ano bang nangyari? Bakit end of round number 6 going to number 7 parang medyo may iniinda po si Garen Diagan dun sa corner at hindi niya po napagpatuloy ang kanyang laban. That is why and still the champion, WBO champion, ito pong si Oscar Collazo. At ano ngayon na next dito po kay Oscar Collazo at kay Garen Diagan? Meron pa bang Pilipino tayo na pwedeng itapat dito? Kasi tinalo niya si Vic Saludar, si Melvin Jerusalem, and now itong si Garen Diagan. Meron pa ba tayong panlaban?
Powercast Sports. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Ako kasi, when I look at the fights, I try to also look at the positive. Of course, may mga nagsasabi na yung condition daw, ganito. Ako, I believe Garen Diagan trained well for this one. It was just unfortunate that si Oscar Collazo has the better conditioning at grabe talaga yung aggression ni Oscar Collazo. Kung napanood niyo po yung laban, talagang ibang klase yung kanyang advantage. Yung kanyang parang yung pag-move forward niya. Usually kasi pag ikaw po yung dayo or ikaw yung challenger, you're the one who wanna initiate the contact. Pero si Oscar Collazo, even if he's the champion, siya po yung talagang most of the time siya yung umaatake. Garen Diagan was doing actually a little bit okay, but napapansin natin actually yung mga round number 4 parang yung sa akin po opinion, hindi ko pa nakakausap si Garen, medyo parang I don't know, nagka-cramps ba siya or hindi niya na masyado parang hindi na po sumasabay yung kamay sa paa sa akin pong nakita, and doon na siya natatamaan ni Oscar Collazo. Siguro, I mean, here's the thing, no? Sabihin na natin hindi ganun kalalakas, pero pag marami po na tama, talagang it piles up at dumadagdag po yan sa sakit, no? At nung round number 6, he made it through na round number 6, no? At pagkaupo niya doon, kinakausap siya ng corner, the ref is looking at him, Sean Gibbons is there, and Sean Gibbons is asking, is that it? Parang ano na ba? Napailing na lang po si Garen Diagan, and the fight was stopped. So there's something happened there. Siguradong may nasaktan siya somewhere kasi ang sakit hinahawakan yung binti niya So we'll find out soon, but unfortunately, 3 Pilipino na ang tinalo ni Oscar Collazo. At may si Melvin Jerusalem nagpost na nga, sabi ni Melvin, game. Parang gusto niya ng another chance. Pero meron pa akong dalawang boksingero na I think pwedeng ipanglaban dito kay Oscar Collazo. Nakikilala na natin siya dito sa Pilipinas kasi mga Pilipino po kanyang tinatalo. Magaling din tayo dito sa minimum weight. I think aside from Melvin Jerusalem rematch, I think I'll be very interested to see him against Jake Amparo, no? Jake Amparo, okay yan. At saka ito talaga interesting to kasi pareho sila ng sipag. Si Rara RR Andales, the relentless one. Ito po masipag ito makipagsabayan. This is something na I think maganda. Kung sakali. Sana may Pilipino pang lumaban. Sana makatalo dyan kay Oscar Collazo, Pilipino. But this day is for Oscar Collazo. He did very well. He was very aggressive, and he shows why he is hype in Puerto Rico. So, yun. Let me know what you think, guys, sa laban. Ano pong nakita nyo sa laban ni Oscar Collazo at saka ni Garen Diagan. At sino sa tingin nyo yung magandang ipantapat natin na Pilipino?